Namaste, beautiful yogis. Welcome to Ali Kamenova Yoga. I'm Ali, and today we're doing espresso shot abs plus somatic abs. I started a program called Half Strength Training, Half Yoga. So this is part of that program. I'm gonna just do abs and somatic abs in a kind of HIIT style. So just a bam, 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 done type of thing. And I do plan on doing certain elements of 10-minute elements that you can add to classes, such as 10-minute abs, 10-minute warm-up. So that's going to be later in this program. For today, it's the somatic abs and abs. We asked our gardener's sons to come help us clear. So there is a little bit of clearing sound. I hope you don't hear it too much. But we have so many weeds that we needed more help with clearing the weeds. Spring is everything explodes. So let's begin and let's flow with love, strength, and ease. All right, starting with hopping with wide legs, slightly bent knees, and dropping onto your heels. So I want a shake out through the body. It's almost like shamanic shaking, but a little more stiff. All right, tapping onto something in front of you. You can just tap at the floor or something a little high, like a step. Imaginary step would work. A half a squat, so kind of here, you're not all the way down because this is still warm up, and half a lunge, half a squat, half a lunge, half a squat. Kind of like shuffling, but with alignment. All right, give me crisscrosses. 2 twists. Two skipping high knees. So you're skipping in between. You don't have to exactly do everything that way. Those are kind of general ideas for the warm-up. All right, step ups or kicking in front of you. Speed it up. Twist. Crisscross. Skipping high knees. And shake it out again with that wide-legged drop on your heels type of move. All right, I hope you feel halfway warmed up. Coming to the front, inhale, reach over the head. Exhale, dive. Inhale, look ahead, plank. Hold it. Here we're gonna jump into plank jump, jump back, knee tucks, opposite knee to opposite elbow, alternating. So 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, hop, touch your left foot to right hand and alternate. Let's go. 1, cross touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, jump to one side, so both legs jump to the right, to the left, sorry. Both legs jump on the left, take the left leg and cross it. Both legs to the right, right leg and cross it. So jump to one side. You can jump outside of your mat. It's so hot here, so I'm kind of staying in my mat perimeters. I should have worn socks. So that's about the move. Let's go. Jump to the right. Whichever side you're jumping on, that's the side you're kicking on for. Last time. All right, down dog. Take the right leg up, step it through, high lunge. 1, hop lunge, 2, 3, lower down, mountain climbers. Step onto the left side, high lunge, 1, 2, 3, mountain climbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Left leg steps through, alternating. Mountain climbers. Left leg steps through. 8, 9, 10. Step the left leg through. Left leg. Keep going. That's the last one, and a little more down dog and a little more prepping for more intricate planks. Plank. Right leg, knee to the right, knee to the left. Left. It's a little slower here. Right. Left. Right. Left. The gardeners are approaching, so I'm fighting against time. We also have to go to a birthday, so. All right, down dog. So it's one of those classes where I'm forced to be fast, which I kind of like. It gets things done. All right, now we're gonna go into the seated abs. Sit onto your butte and lean back, just for connection. Reach forward, hold and lift. Everything is lifting. Hands together, and we're going to turn to the left leg lifts. 1 and center. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, reset, opposite side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reset. Straighten the back. From here, we're gonna lower onto the elbows. Lift your lower belly, and we're gonna glide 3 heel glides on one side, which allows you to connect to the very lower portion of your abs. Opposite side. This is in the Somatic Pilates. It's a cue for how you connect to your core. All right, ready for toe dips. Right leg up. We're gonna do 3 toe dips on the right side at around 90 degrees. Opposite side, left. Now both and alternate. Straighten the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 10. Great. All right, lower down. And, ooh, sunny. We're going to open the legs, lay onto your back, open the legs, lift everything, close them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Bring your left knee in, and we're going to lower the right leg down and up with somatic abs. 2, 3. So somatic means you're really connecting to your abs and lifting from the pelvic floor up. Refer to my Pilates program for all the slow details on this. Opposite leg, everything is lifting, everything is connecting. It takes conscious connection to your body. This is a little more faster for those of you who already have done the slower somatic connection, and this is just bam, bam, bam. Done. All right, bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now open the knees out, hands between the legs, reach up. Open, 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 open. Oh, all right, rest for a second. All of these exercises are cues of how much you connect. So it's not a matter of only the exercise itself, but it's how you connect to the exercise. Let's do a few circular movements around the base of the spine. And lay back down. Hug your knees into your chest, hold for a moment. All right, keep your right knee in. And we're going to take the left leg at 90 degrees and do toe dips. A little slower than what we've been doing so far, so that you can fully create that connection. Give me mula bandha, everything from the muscles in the lower belly, which is a lot of connective tissue there as well, is connected and fired. Lower back on the floor. The exercise is relatively easy due to holding your right knee, so you get to really connect. Touch and see how much you're connecting. Opposite side, same thing, 90 degree, deep, feel, Dip your toe, lift. Dip your toe, lift. Dip your toe, lift. Dip your toe, lift. All right, now we're gonna reach with the hands forward and dip, alternating. Try to keep your lower back down. So you might want to bring your knees a little closer to you, which makes it a little easier. And when you dip, that stabilizes your lower back down. So it's up to your core, your structure, your anatomy, your strength, how close to you the knees can be. Some of you can be here, it's a lot of work, the further away your knees are from you. And even if the work is less, it gives you the opportunity to really connect, so don't worry. I like it. The less work I've been doing, the more I like it. Still, it's smart work, it's not less. All right, a few more spins around the base of the spine, and we're gonna finish with one more from the Somatic Pilates. I call it Somatic now Pilates to make sure that it is known that you're not getting into true Pilates. It's better. Lay down, and here, this was a favorite of mine. You're gonna open your knees out and do toe dips across. So right leg dips to the left, left leg dips to the right. Let's go. 1, 2, lots of connection needed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feet together, drop them to one side and then to the other. Great. And bicycles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And time for rest. So this is kind of, you see in real time how a lot of my workouts work. Oftentimes we're at the door and I tell Johnny and Lottie, give me 10 minutes. This was a little longer than 10 minutes, 18 I think, but this is how I've been approaching my workout, so you get the real deal. And stay here for a few moments just for true embodiment, so you quiet down in order to just feel the body. Just a moment of feeling it is enough. I find that if it's chaotic and fast around you, that's even more powerful because you train your mind to work in that type of environment instead of imperfect meditation room environment. Both can be helpful, but it's really good to be able to center when you're in a hurry. That's actually why we want to oftentimes be able to center, so that we can navigate life. The other one, it's more for deeper connection when we have the perfect environment, but just a quick capacity to enter the inner temple is really important after a fast class. And because the gardeners are approaching, I'm gonna let you sit on your own after the class, and remember to flow with love, strength, and ease. Namaste.